Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on steam nozzle. Today we will discuss on classification of steam turbine, impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Steam turbine. A steam turbine is a device that extracts thermal energy from pressurized steam and uses it to do mechanical work on a rotating output shaft. Classification of steam turbine. First, according to the action of steam. Impulse turbine. In impulse turbine, steam coming out through fixed nozzle at very high velocity strike the blade fixed on periphery of rotor. The blade changes the direction of steam flow without changing its pressure. The force due to change of momentum causes the rotation of the turbine shaft. Reaction turbine. In reaction turbine, steam expands both in fixed and moving blade continuously as the steam passes over them. The pressure drop occurs continuously over both moving and fixed blade. And impulse and reaction turbine. Second, according to the number of pressure stages, single stage turbine and multi-stage turbine. Third, according to the types of flow, axial turbine and reaction turbine. Fourth, according to the number of shaft, single shaft turbine, multi-shaft turbine. Fifth, according to the method of governing, turbine with throttle governing, turbine with nozzle governing, turbine with bypass governing. Six, according to the steam condition at inlet to turbine, lower pressure turbine, medium pressure turbine, high pressure turbine, very high pressure turbine and supercritical pressure turbine. 7. According to their uses of industry, stationary turbine with constant speed of rotation, stationary turbine with variable speed of rotation and non-stationary turbine with variable speed. This is diagram of impulse turbine. It primarily consists of a nozzle or set of nozzle, a rotor mounted on a shaft, one set of moving blade attached to the rotor and a casing. This turbine is called simple impulse turbine since the expansion of the steam takes place in a one set of nozzle. Construction and working of impulse turbine. A number of variations of turbine have been developed that work effectively with steam. The impulse turbine is simpler, less expensive and does not need to be pressure proof. It can be operated with any pressure of steam, but it considerably less efficient. Impulse turbine consists of one fixed set of nozzle mounted on stationary diaphragm that orient the steam flow into high speed jet, which is followed by one set of moving blade ring as shown in figure for a single stage impulse turbine. In impulse turbine, power is developed by the impulsive force of high velocity steam jet or jet which contain significant kinetic energy which is converted into shaft rotation by a bucket-like shaped rotor blade as a steam jet changes the direction. A pressure drop occurs across only the stationary blade with a net increase in steam velocity across the stage. As the steam flows through the nozzle, its pressure falls from inlet pressure to exit pressure, or a high velocity steam jet are obtained by complete expansion of steam in a stationary nozzle fitted in diaphragm. Then its high velocity steam passes through moving blade with no drop in pressure but gradual reduction in velocity. The loss of energy due to this higher exit velocity is commonly called the carryover velocity or leaving loss. Thus, in pure impulse turbine, that high velocity jet from nozzle strikes on the blade mounted on a wheel attached to the shaft. This blade changes the direction of steam and hence momentum of the jet of steam which rotate the shaft. The law of momentum states that the sum of the moments of external force acting on a fluid which is temporarily occupying the control volume is equal to the net time change of angular momentum flux through the control volume. The nozzle axis is inclined to the angle to the tangent of the rotor. Figure shows the variation of pressure and velocity of steam while passes through nozzle and turbine blade. Reaction turbine. Reaction turbine consists of row of stationary and moving blade alternatively. Stationary blades are attached to the inner side of casing. The moving blades are fitted on a periphery of rotating drum. Stationary blades are aerofoil shapes which act as a nozzle. The row of fixed blades followed by a row of moving blades is called a stage of reaction turbine. The stationary blades act as a nozzle and change the direction of flow of steam by increasing the velocity. This type of turbine make use of the reaction force produced as the steam accelerates through the nozzle formed by rotor. In pure reaction turbine, the drop of pressure with expansion and generation of kinetic energy take place in moving blade. The steam jet leaves the moving blade at greater velocity than they enter these blades because due to the aerofoil shapes of blades with greater velocity react on the blades and turn them round. The passage through the moving blades of reaction turbine are made convergent. So the steam expands as it passes through the moving blade. This expansion causes the steam to leave the moving blade at higher velocity that at which it enters. A pressure drop occurs across both the stator and the rotor, with steam accelerating through the stator and deaccelerating through the rotor, with no net change in steam velocity across the state but with decrease in both pressure and temperature, reflecting the work performed in the driving of the rotor. Thank you.